Namaskar. Hi all students. Yeah, welcome back to English class with Miss Rose. So today I will give you a video of our discussion about exercises for your preparation of monthly tasks. Yeah, so the monthly task will be held on Thursday, 12 November 2020. Yeah, and this is the preview. If you click the link that I shared to your class teacher, yeah, you will be directly go to my blog, and then for the link of the exercises, you can click here. Yeah, exercises for monthly test preparation. Yeah, so you can answer these questions as many as you need. Yeah, for your preparation. So please click this link, and then it will be directly to the Google form. Yeah, so English exercises for monthly test preparation. Yeah, so click next. Then you need to fill in your identity. For example, I will type. Okay, so before you start answering the questions, you need to read the instructions carefully. Ya, jadi baca instruksinya dengan jelas. Answer the following questions carefully. Read the instruction before answering the questions. Okay, part A. Choose the correct collocation or phrases to complete the sentences below. So, we need to choose the correct collocation or phrases. Yeah, if you remember, collocation or phrases is just like kumpulan kata-kata yang memiliki arti tertentu, ya, to express some feeling. Okay, number 1. Though you have not scored well, I am happy to see that you have tried to improve. So the answers of this question is make an effort. Yeah. Next, please book my ticket and blank 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 for my trip to Thailand. So the answer is make arrangements. Ya, jadi membuat um, acara atau susunan ya, jadi untuk trip selama di Thailand. Next, I must blank 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 in spoken English or else I will not do well in the interview. So the answer is make progress. Ya, jadi harus membuat sebuah progress. Next, try not to make a mistake in your calculation. Jadi berusaha tidak membuat kesalahan pada saat melakukan kalkulasi atau perhitungan jumlah. For example, misalkan menghitung matematika, ya, there is try to not make a mistake. Next, Kade loves traveling. She is someone who loves traveling. We call it as traveler. Yeah, next. John acts in movies. He is an actor. Next. June won a science contest. He is a winner. Yeah, because he won. Won is the verb to of win. Yeah. So he is a winner. Next. She is a blank blank blank. Dr. James conducts experiments in science. So the answer is scientist. Yeah, because she always do like experiments, yeah, in science. So she is a scientist. Okay, for the next is you need to choose which collocation is correct, yeah, by choosing the word. I cannot find where the cinema is. Did I? Okay, so there are 6 answers here. Ya, jadi dia di sini tidak bisa menemukan di mana letak sinema atau bioskop. Ya, apakah dia get lost. Did I get lost? Ya, remember, get lost, the meaning is tersesat. Ya, next question. Blank, 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 said the policeman to the impatient crowd. Ya, jadi apa yang dikatakan oleh polisi ketika melihat ada kerumunan yang sedang marah atau tidak sabaran? Ya, the answer is get going. Ya, get going, the meaning is bubar, pergi. Ya, so this is the answers. Next. Let's blank, blank, blank because we don't have much time. Ayo kita mulai. Let's get started because we don't have much time. Next question is, he blank, blank, blank very well with his new classmate. Ya, so the answer is get along. Ya, get along itu artinya mudah bergaul. Ya, padahal dia masih murid baru, tapi dia sudah bisa berteman dengan baik dan memulai pertemanan dengan baik dengan teman barunya. Next, she will take blank blank blank. She will take time to get used to her new surrounding. Jadi ini berbeda ya. Get along tuh cepat beradaptasi. Kalau get used itu perlu proses. Jadi perlu proses untuk terbiasa ya dengan lingkungan sekitarnya yang baru. Next, the last, you must work hard or else you will get fired. Ya, get fired is dipecat. Jadi kita harus kerja keras atau akan dipecat. So that is for part A. Next is part B. Choose the appropriate conjunction to fill in the blanks. He is a good father, blank 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 husband. Jadi di sini masih setara ya. Jadi kira-kira jawabannya yang mana? Yes, the answer is N. Ya, he is a good father and husband. Good. Next, she was sick. Blank blank blank. She couldn't join the meeting. Dia sakit. Jadi dia tidak bisa join the meeting. So the answer will be so. Ya. Next. I can play guitar well. Ya, blank blank blank. I cannot play violin. So this one is contrast ya. Jadi saya bisa main gitar tapi saya nggak bisa main biola. So the answer is but. Ya, jadi menunjukkan perbedaan. Next, I have to find a new job. Blank blank blank. I am unemployed. Nah, for this one, saya harus mencari pekerjaan baru karena saya pengangguran. Jadi jawabannya adalah for. Ya, for here artinya bukan untuk, tetapi artinya karena. Ya, same like because. For sama dengan because. Next. I am happy. The blank blank blank. I get a good score in English. Kenapa saya happy? Karena saya dapat a good score in English. Jadi jawabannya for juga. Ya, karena or because. For. Next, blank blank blank. She studied hard. She failed on the exam. Okay, so for this one, ya, walaupun dia sudah berusaha belajar dengan baik ya, dengan tekun, tapi dia masih gagal dalam ujian. Jadi kata yang cukup cocok untuk mengisi ini adalah although. Ya, although itu artinya meskipun, walaupun, ya. Next, blank blank blank. I was young, I was very shy. Jadi ini menunjukkan waktu ya. Ketika saya masih muda, saya masih sangat pemalu ya. Jadi the answer is when. Ya, ketika. When the meaning is ketika. Next, you shouldn't go out. Blank blank blank. It's raining heavily. Ya, kamu tidak sebaiknya keluar karena hujannya sangat deras. Ya, so the answer is since. Ya, so since here is karena. Jadi di sini since artinya sama seperti for tadi, artinya karena, because. Ya. Next. Come on time, please. Please come on time, blank, blank, blank. We may miss the bus. Ya, jadi ayo datang tepat waktu, titik-titik kita akan kelewatan bus. Jadi jawabannya adalah or. Ya, kita harus datang tepat waktu atau kita akan ketinggalan bus. So that's for part B. That is about conjunction. Ya, jadi kata penghubung. Next is part C. Read the sentences below carefully, then determine its kind of tense. Jadi kita di sini first need to read the sentence here, ya, dibaca sentence-nya, and then we have to choose, ya, what kind is the tense, ya. So we already studied two tenses. Yeah, the first tenses is present perfect continuous tense, and then the second one is past perfect tense. Yeah, so we need to remember the formula. Yeah, if the present perfect continuous tense, the formula is subject plus has or have, and then plus been, and then plus verb ing. Ya, jadi itu formulanya. And then for past perfect tense, the formula is subject plus had, and then plus verb 3 or past participle. Ya, jadi verb 3-nya. So let's read the first sentence. I have been playing tennis since my childhood. So this answer is present perfect continuous tense because the formula is, ya, karena di sini formulanya ada subject and then has or have and then been and then verb ing. Yeah, so this one is the answers. Next, the concert had started when I arrived at the auditorium. Ya, jadi di sini ada subject and then had and also verb 3. So the answer is past perfect tense. Ya. Next. This is negative. Ya, negative sentence. The boys had not grown the plants before I potted my plant. Ya, jadi di sini ada kata had not grown. Ya, di sini adalah kalimat negatif, but we can analyze it. Ya, di sini ada had and then grown. Had plus grown. Grown here is verb 3 of grow. Jadi ini bentuk verb ketiga dari grow. The answer is past perfect tense. Next, have you been playing guitar for many years? Nah, di sini is interrogative sentence. Ini kalimat interrogatif, ya, kalimat tanya. So we can analyze it, ya, from here. Have, ya, and then you, the subject, and then there is been here and also playing, ya. Jadi ada playingnya juga. So the answer is present perfect continuous tense. Next, she has not been performing well in her project since she arrived. Ya, di sini we can see has and then not been and performing. Yeah, so the answer is present perfect continuous tense. And then the last, had the king declared a contest to choose an heir before he retired? Oke, jadi di sini ada diawali oleh had. Ya, this is interrogative sentence, kalimat tanya. Had and then the subject, and also here is the verb 3. Ya, karena sudah ada had dan verb 3, so the answer is past perfect tense. So that's for part C. Next is part D. Ya, so match the words in there with their meanings. Ya, tick one column in each row. Jadi di sini you need to tick only one column. Jadi maksudnya dalam satu kolom ini, ya, hanya ada boleh satu jawaban. Ya, jadi di sini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ya, in each ada 5 questions ya. You need to pair the meaning. And then it will be one answers only. Ya, jadi contohnya seperti ini. Very easy. Ya, kira-kira very easy ini cocok dengan yang mana? And then very easy, the synonym is a piece of cake. Jadi gampang sekali. Ya, jadi nanti akan muncul seperti ini. Pertanyaan ini memerlukan setidaknya satu respon per baris. Jadi di barisan ini sudah ada jawaban satu dan tidak boleh ada jawaban yang lainnya. Next, not talk. Ya, so the answer is hold your tongue. Ya, di sini artinya hold your tongue, tahan lidah gitu kalau bahasa Indonesia. But the meaning is jangan berbicara, ya, kontrol bicaranya. That is the meaning. Next, jealousy. Jealousy ini jealous, ya, atau sebuah kata iri atau cemburu. So the synonym is envy. Next, refuse. Nah, refuse di sini artinya menolak, ya, atau mengcancel. Ya, so the synonym is, jadi ada yang tersisa dua yang boleh dicentang antara decline and distress. Ya, so the meaning of refuse is decline. Ya, and then the last is sorrow. Sorrow itu artinya kesedihan, ya, kemalangan. So the answer will be this one. Ya, jadi setiap baris hanya ada satu jawaban. Nah, if you look to the bottom and then look to the side, ya, kalau dilihat ke bawah, ke samping itu hanya ada satu answer only. Sama juga seperti ini. Oh, di sini only one. This one only one, only one, only one. Kalau sudah seperti ini baru bisa klik next. Kalau misalkan di sini ada dua jawaban, you cannot go to the next. Ya, jadi tidak bisa go to the next. Ya, jadi should be like this. Ini dihapus. And then click next. Okay, so the next is reading. So for the reading, please open your English workbook and then read this text. Yeah, this text is on page 14. The title is Mercury and the Woodman. Yeah, and then please answer part A only. Yeah. So I already type here, answer part A only. And if already, you can click kirim or submit. Yeah. So that's all. Yeah, the explanation of how to answering the exercises. Yeah, so the monthly test will be the same like this. Jadi nanti monthly testnya akan sama seperti ini. And also you need to click again, yeah, the link of blog ya that I already share to you. Jadi yang sudah Miss Rose share itu ya bisa dicek di sini apakah sudah benar ya topik yang dipelajari. Jadi you can prepare it well and also get the score well. Yeah, so that's all. If you have any questions, you can ask me or text me by WhatsApp. Yeah, so I will answer it and see you on the next meeting. Bye.